Today I wake up, I get oh man, Sainty, for a first song, for a first video, that's incredible, you know, amazing journey, you know, and a lot of balance, you know, in the conversation we had with what she's up to, you know, both, you know, professionally. That's incredible, you know, by having entertainment and medicine together, the way she's doing it, it's incredible. I'm sure there's very few people who could do that. So we have to continue to commend her. Please find the music, support her, buy the music as much as possible. That's the best way to support the artist. And yeah, big salute to her. We're gonna keep this video on rotation like we do with all our other artists at MX24 to show them love and support today especially. Bro, I have another artist here. Yo. How you doing? How long has it been? Kindly introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
My name is Twicy. I'm an Afrobeat artist.
Yeah. A very hard guy. Yo, how have you been, man? How have you been?
Crazy. I'm good.
How was 2023 for you, man?
It was great. I put up an album and it's doing good.
Yes. Yeah. I'm very happy you started with that, you know, because that's what I was actually going to ask you.
Oh, nice.
You know, we talk about putting out music and all these songs and all these singles, and we want this to be a banger and all these. Now, putting out an album, an EP or whatever, it's a very different process because you could have a number of features, a number of songs. You have to think of which song am I going to put out first, you know, what's going to be the lead single, who am I going to feature, and sort out all these little things. It is different, usually a very different promotion strategy. I just want to know from Twice, you know, from artists people are still getting to know, right? And you have a very huge fan base. Why was that important for you, especially last year?
Yeah, because, like, I mean, I've been in this for quite long. Not too long, but, you know, I've been in the game and I felt like people love my music. So me and my team sat down and we decided to, because I've recorded a lot of songs. So we're like, okay, let's just give them like 10 out of the number of songs, like the numerous songs that I have. Yeah, so we put together 10 songs and, you know, we put out the album because people really want to listen to my music.
Yeah. How's the response though? Exactly when last year did you drop the album?
October.
Oh, October. Yeah. Okay, so it's not something that's been like too long. So people are still getting. How's the response been so far?
Great. Live It Up is doing so good. It has like 100 and something thousand plays on Spotify. Yeah, so I think it's doing good. The video is out. Okay. You know, the video too is growing. Small, yeah. So
what do you think about our space, man? The music, the entertainment, because it's a lot, you know, on our shoulders. And as soon as I saw you, I was like, bro, I haven't seen you in so long. So I was very happy. We had a really cool conversation. And as artists, you're an independent artist.
Yes.
Crazy. As artists, we have to do so much, you know, to get our songs out there just to be heard.
Yeah.
What do you think about the space we're in? Are we given as much of an opportunity? And that's a very, you know, I think that's a very deep question because a fan might watch and say, oh, there's social media, put your music out there and just push it. You know, like there's all these avenues. Your page is your platform. But we go through a lot as artists. So for someone like Twice, you know, who's dropping albums, who's promoting his music the way he is, what do you feel about the space here? And is it as exciting as it seems?
No, it's not exciting. Like, you have to really go hard. You know, in our space, it's not easy for people to like accept your song, like everybody's playing it. It's not easy, so you really have to go hard promoting it. You need to connect with people like you know, and you guys are always busy, you know. It's not easy to get you.
Bro, no lie,
so
man.
You have to go like thick and thin, you know.
That's true. I mean, that's just facts though, right? You have to keep on pushing. But what's Twicy doing different? Because like you're really like doing your thing.
Yeah, it's just music, you know, just music and hustling, you know, buying and selling, you know, stuff. Yeah. So that's it.
Was there ever a point where you nearly gave up, by the way? Did you ever sit down and was like, Charlie, wow, what's going on?
There was a day I went for a show and Charlie, I did a backstage. Everybody come, they make you perform. But me, I just did it, they beg, oh, I won't perform. But they never call me.
Crazy.
You know?
Who said this? Was it Joey B? I think somebody like that said the same thing.
Yeah, so that day I was like, no, maybe my music is not too nice. Like, maybe I'm not supposed to do this thing. And I nearly gave up,
How long ago was this?
Oh, like 3 years ago.
Jeez, not even too long ago.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
I mean, it's good you didn't, though.
Yeah, but along the way, I met like my team, Dailies Entertainment.
Okay.
We are independent coming, you know. Okay. And we all put our heads together and
Okay.
You know, we started a thing and we are all
Okay, so
pushing.
you're not an official record label.
Yeah.
Where there's.
Yeah.
So you're pushing your music financially and
Yes.
I mean with your team, you know.
Yes,
there's
with my
effort there.
team, Dealers Entertainment.
Wow.
You know,
Bro, that's crazy.
Yeah.
So if there's any artist watching, you know, who wants to be part of the movement, who wants to join you, is that something you've ever thought of, you know, as a creative? Or not yet?
Yeah, if somebody wants to support, like, we are open, they can come and, you know, support us. Because I can promise them I have good songs, I'm a good artist, and when they put themselves in this craft, like, they're not going to lose. Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, like, that's... That's an incredible journey, man.
Yeah.
And I love the fact that, you know, you're being open and honest, you know, about these things and what you're going through. But would you ever consider being on a record label? And I'm asking this especially because, you know, a lot of young guys I talk to, Charlie J, they said record label, but I need a manager.
Yeah,
and
I think...
what I usually tell them is, like, I get it, but just, it's a gradual process.
Yeah.
You know, and sometimes, you know, everybody isn't too happy to hear that because of how fast everything is. So you have to explain it to them.
Yes.
So I don't know, if you got the opportunity for a record label, would you consider it?
Oh yeah, me and my team will talk about it. We will love to collaborate, you know, with them.
Okay, that makes sense.
Because we have a vision, and I'm sure they will also have a vision. They will have a way they want to see their artists.
Yeah.
And we already have ours, so we have to sit down and then put our heads together.
Okay.
And then we move together. Yeah.
Okay, nice one. Back to the album. What's it called for those who don't know?
Come Again.
The album.
Yeah.
It's called Come Again.
No. You mean
what's
what
the
it's
album called? I was
okay,
like,
okay. I didn't hear. Okay, it's Far Away.
Far Away.
Yeah, Far Away.
Why Far Away, man?
Because we want to go far. We want to take Ghana music to the world.
Okay.
It's already there, but like we want to help. We want to contribute to like the artists that are pushing our music to the, you know, outside world.
But you honestly think that we're there though? Like, because bro, like, oh man, I always forget because I talk to so many artists.
I think we are there.
Sometimes when I ask, like when the artists are here and I ask them, like, oh, we're close, so let's small. Some artists will be like, Charlie, we know reach. You know, and it's a very heartbreaking thing, honestly, when you hear that, you know, from artists who love what they do. Because we want to get there. There's always that comparison. Niger, South Africa, the Grammys, the BET Awards, these conversations are going to constantly come up, even if not from the artists, from the fans, right? Do you honestly think the gap is shortening, or is it wide?
Yeah, I think it's shortening, you know, because we're really doing good. I think it's because we've not gotten the Grammys. That's why, like, we think...
So you think that maybe if one of our artists buys some miracle, amen, you know, wins a Grammy tomorrow, these conversations are going to be suppressed?
Yes, they're going to
just because of the Grammys?
Yes.
That's crazy, though.
Yeah, because we are so much obsessed with Grammys. Everybody's saying, oh, even if last time the girl that won a Tyler, like everybody's
Tyler, right? Yeah.
talking, and the Ghana artists, so I think like when we get it, maybe like that conversation, like you said, we'll be surprised.
Bro, you know, shares everyone one. They go ask you, where's number 2? If we win 2, then go against it twice. You want the third one and the fourth one.
They go go by.
You know, they go say goodbye. But
I think we are there because our music really inspired even the Nigerian artists. You know, like our music really inspired them. Afrobeat came from, High Life. Understand? Okay. So I think Ghana is there. Yeah, we just have to know how to, sell our own product, how we can market it to the world. Yeah, we have to always talk about our own. Yeah.
I've always said, you know, there's no problem in acknowledging, you know, and accepting that your brother is doing well, but just make sure you're catching up. Make sure you're doing something right.
Yes.
Before we get to your music, random question: what does success mean to you, man? Is it the awards, like we're talking about, like the Grammys? Is it your music getting out there? Is it the numbers? You know, is it like 1 million views and the like?
Well,
what does success mean to you?
As an artist, success to me is in the studio, like when you're able to create the masterpiece, like the song, a good song. Then I think for that one is the success. Because if you don't have the good song,
that's the basis.
Yeah,
right?
you can make it, you can get a name, but it wouldn't last. So to be successful is to get, as an artist, to get a good song, good masterpiece, like in your playlist, you know. So when you are ready to come, it's gonna be easy. Yeah. Like the way people are accepting my album. Yeah. Because it has good songs on it. Yeah. So in my mind, I'm already successful.
I like that.
Yes, very soon. The world will just get to understand it well. And
Bro, this numbers thing you're saying is very interesting, and I'm very happy you said that because, trust me, you could have 10 million followers, and that's a blessing for anybody who has it. But it doesn't mean you'd have even half that number at your show. Quarter, maybe even less. And it's crazy. We're so obsessed with numbers and all of these things. It could be programmed, you know. And again, there's nothing wrong if your numbers are doing well. Again, that's a blessing as well, right? But it's, to some extent, right, it seems like it's taken away from the passion and the creativity, and we become hyper business focused. And we have to try and find a balance again. Hopefully we can. Hopefully we can. But like you said, if it's from an organic place and the music is good, it's going to touch the right people. Right? It's going to touch the right people. I'm very happy you said that. So your album, Far Away, is on there. It's on all platforms.
It's on all platforms.
What's the first single you released officially up there?
Leave It Up.
Leave It Up.
People should expect Lotto.
Okay.
Lotto is it's like a banger. The video has already been shot.
Okay.
So 1st of March, we're going to release it.
Okay.
We're going to release the video. The Lotto song is also on the album.
Why Live It Up first, though? All the songs, 10 songs.
Because Charlie, so much stress in this life, you know. So I felt like I should motivate people. The song is a party song, but when you listen to it, you get motivated.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just wanted to motivate them, you know, because so much stress in this life, and you shouldn't let this stress push you down. You should keep on pushing. Grind and party.
Is that your favorite song on there, though, on the album?
Okay, I have a song when it titled Far Away.
Okay, the title of the album, there's a single, Far Away.
Yes.
Okay.
That song,
is there
I really
going to be
love
a video for that, maybe?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, since it's his favorite song, and please, bro, you have to bring it here. I'm very proud of you.
Thank
you know,
you.
every time we've spoken, it's like you have so much positive energy, and you have a lot of drive. And that's what it's about, no matter where you are in life, bro. Keep doing your thing. Is there anything you want to add? Any shouts you want to give before you leave me?
Okay, big shout out to my big man, Moses, and Nikki Media, Jason, yourself.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, and my MX TV, you know, thank you for the support, my fans. Naya, I see you, Ella, Chris, you know, all them boys. Swedro, Charlie.
Oh, Swedro to the world. All my big boys in Swedro. What's squatting? So please, like I said, find the music, support it. Let's get it out there as much as possible. Please keep doing your thing. I can't wait to see you on the biggest stages, man, in the world. And even though I have to let him go with his music, which you're going to be watching, my brother Breeze coming through. Enjoy this. We'll be right back. Today I wake up,